If you don't know modern slang, native English can feel very hard to understand. 1 second you're confident, the next somebody says you're cooked and you still think they're talking about food. In this video, I'm going to teach you 21 of the most popular and relevant slang words and phrases of 2026 with simple meanings, real examples, and exactly when to use them. So by the end of this lesson, when you hear words like Rizz, glaze, green flag, slay, bussing, cooked, or bet, you'll actually understand them. And more importantly, you'll know when to use them naturally. And I'll also show you which slang is good for learners to say and which slang is better to just understand. Because yes, there is a difference. Let him cook. Flex, Rizz. Let's meet at 7. Bet. Aura points, gain aura, unprofessional, depending. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first slang word we are going to learn is Rizz. I'm sure you guys have heard this word if you've ever been on North American TikTok or really any English speaking side of TikTok or social media. You have heard this word, Rizz. It's been around for many years now, but it's still very popular. So what does it mean? It means charm, especially romantic charm or flirting skills. Rizz is short for charisma, but we shorten it down to Rizz, and that's the slang word, Rizz. So if someone says you have good Rizz, it just means like you're good at flirting or talking to the opposite gender or the people you're attracted to. Oh, he has Rizz, he has good Rizz. Some example sentences are, he has so much Rizz when he talks to new people. She rizzed up the waiter as a joke. So when should you use this word? Use it when you're talking about flirting, confidence, or someone's social charm, their charisma. And when not to use it, do not use this when talking formally or with people that might not understand internet culture, usually older people. They probably won't understand this. And if they do, they might just think you're unprofessional depending on the scenario. And also a quick disclaimer, all of these slang words should be only used, with your friends or on the internet or informally with people that, are used to them. You shouldn't use these words when you're trying to talk formally or when you're writing emails or when you're talking to a boss or someone older than you. This is just like informal speaking and internet talk. Get my 3,000 most common English words PDF and start learning the words that will allow you to understand up to 95% of everyday English. It includes clear definitions, real examples, and simple organization by topic and CEFR level. Get it in the description or at volkaenglish.com. The second slang phrase is no cap. No cap. I use this one so much. I use this one a lot. No cap or just cap. So no cap means honestly, serious, or no lie. So when you use it, you're implying that you are not lying. So you can say no cap or I'm not lying. It's interchangeable. You can also just use the word cap alone when you think someone is lying or not telling the truth. For example, if someone says, oh, the sky is green, you can say cap, just cap. If you say no cap, then it's like, oh, you're not lying. But if you say cap, it's like, no, you are lying. I don't believe you. Like, oh, cap. So no cap is usually the speaker uses it. Oh, that's my favorite, no cap. That's my favorite, I'm not lying, no cap. But if you just use cap, it usually is in a response to someone else to mean you don't think they're telling the truth. Cap. Some example sentences are, that street food was amazing, no cap. No cap, this has been the best lesson on this channel. No cap. So when should you use this? Use this when you want to emphasize you are telling the truth in like a casual, chill, cool way. Once again, do not use this word or any of these words when talking to your boss, your teachers, or clients. So cap means a lie or exaggeration, and no cap means the opposite. Third slang word is low key. Low key. Low key means slightly, secretly, quietly, or in an understated way. Low key. Some example sentences are, I low-key want to stay home tonight. Low-key. Or she's low-key the funniest person in the group. I low-key use this word all the time. Low-key. And this is really one of the most like versatile and useful slang phrases because you can really use it in almost any sentence, low key. So use it when you want to like soften your opinion or show a feeling that is not like super strong. Fourth slang word, high key. High key. So high key means openly, strongly, very, or intensely. I'm high key excited for this trip. I was high key annoyed by that comment. I don't find myself using this word in particular that much because I would rather just use words like, oh, I'm really excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm very excited, rather than high key. I personally don't use it as much, and I don't think a lot of people really use it that much. Low key, on the other hand, is so popular. High key, not as popular, but it's still widely used. Fifth slang phrase, bet. I actually think this is the slang phrase I use the most. Bet. This is my favorite slang phrase of 2025 and probably of 2026 as well. Bet. It's just so simple, elegant, useful, and it just rolls off the tongue. I like this slang word. So it just means okay, sure, sounds good, agreed, bet. Example sentence, let's meet at 7. Bet. You bring the camera, I'll bring the mic. Bet. So you can use it when you're accepting a plan, agreeing with something, or saying yes casually. Sixth slang word, mid. Mid means mediocre, underwhelming, or not impressive. It's mid. It's average. The movie looked cool, but it was mid. The burger was mid, honestly. So use it when you want to give a casual negative opinion about something. For example, food, media, clothes, or a performance. It was mid. Number 7, cooked. This means doomed, in trouble, or in a bad situation. I'm cooked. Chat. Am I cooked? If I don't study tonight, I'm cooked. We're cooked if the train gets delayed again. So use it when you want to joke about being in trouble or when a situation is going badly and you just want to add some humor. Oh, I'm cooked. If you want to learn faster, get the workbook for this video on my website. It includes deeper explanations and exercises to help you remember and master what you learned. And if you get 5 or more workbooks, you'll get 30% off automatically at checkout. So go to the description or my website, volkaenglish.com. Number 8, lock in. Lock in. It means to enter a state of deep focus. I need to lock in and finish my homework. It's exam week. Everybody has to lock in. So use it when you want to talk about focusing hard on something and achieving a certain result. Number 9, delulu. Delulu. So this means delusional. It's often used jokingly for unrealistic confidence or fantasy thinking. This word is also mainly used by women. I personally never use this word, and none of my male friends use this word, but a lot of my friends that are women, they use this word a lot. Delulu. I know it's delulu, but I think I can become fluent in 6 months. He thinks one text means they're getting married. That's delulu. So use it when you're joking about unrealistic hopes, especially in dating, fandom, or ambition. Number 10, the ick. A sudden feeling of disgust or loss of attraction. Seeing him be rude to the staff gave me the ick. She got the ick after the first date. So use it when you're talking about dating, attraction, or social turn-offs. Number 11, touch grass. Go outside, reconnect with life, and spend less time online. You've been arguing in the comments for 3 hours. Go touch grass. After watching TikTok all day, I need to touch grass. So use it when you're talking to someone that is online too much or needs a break from all their screen time. Touch grass. And it's often used as like a mild insult. Like, oh, go touch grass. It's mild, a mild insult. 12, let him cook. Let him cook. Let that person continue because they may be doing something smart or impressive. Don't stop her. Let her cook. Or I'm sure you guys have all heard that viral sound. Let him cook now. Let him cook. Let him cook. I'm sure you guys have heard that all over TikTok. His idea sounds weird, but let him cook. So use it when someone is building towards a result and you want others not to interrupt. 13, ate or ate and left no crumbs. Did extremely well, flawlessly, or impressively. She ate with that performance. That outfit ate and left no crumbs. So use it when you want to praise someone's style, performance, speech, or confident execution. And you should know ate here, or ate and left no crumbs, has nothing to do with food at all. Glaze/glazing. It means to praise someone too much or excessively. You're glazing him way too hard. The comments were just pure glazing. So it's used when you want to call out over-the-top praise in sports, fandoms, or comment sections. Number 15, green flag. Green flag. Positive sign or a good trait. The fact that she listens carefully is a green flag. It's a green flag when someone is kind to waiters. And you should learn this one with red flag. Red flag is just the opposite of green flag. So red flags are like bad traits. Bad traits. Usually when you're thinking about dating someone in that type of context. Oh, red flag, green flag. Number 16, aura. This means someone or something has a cool factor, star power, or just like swag. He walked in with so much aura. The goal gave her 1,000 aura points. Use it when describing charisma, coolness, confidence, or impressive presence. Some variations of that are aura points, gain aura, lose aura. All of that means the same thing, aura. 17, glow up. A strong positive transformation, especially in appearance or overall presentation. His English had a real glow up this year. He had a glow up last year. The apartment had a huge glow up after the redesign. So use it when talking about improvement in looks, style, or confidence. Number 18, brain rot. Low quality, addictive content online, or the mentally numbing effect of too much of it. My feed is just brain rot at this point. I need a break from TikTok. The brain rot is getting bad. Use it when joking about useless internet content or unhealthy doom scrolling. Number 19, crash out. Suddenly becoming uncontrollably angry or distressed. He crashed out after losing the game. Don't crash out over one bad comment. So use it when describing someone overreacting emotionally. Number 20, flex. Show off, brag a little, or display money, style, skills, or success. Flex. Posting that first class seat felt like a flex. He wasn't trying to flex, but the camera setup was crazy. So use it when talking about showing off possessions, achievements, or status. Last but not least, 21, slay. If you want to speak English more clearly and naturally, then join my speaking and pronunciation course. You get instant access to almost 100 video lessons with 2 new lessons every week, a clear step-by-step practice system, and an exclusive prompt to help you master the pronunciation of any word. Inside, we work on pronunciation, accent, rhythm, and natural speaking, so you can stop hesitating and speak with more confidence. Do something extremely well, look amazing, or be impressive. Slay. You slayed that presentation. Her outfit absolutely slays. Or you'll hear a lot, slay queen. That's really common, slay queen. So use it when complimenting style, performance, confidence, or execution. If you guys like this video and you want me to make a part 2, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want the 3,000 most common English words to understand up to 95% of spoken English, it's in the description. Bye guys.